Do you love winter soups? Well, today I want to show you how to make a delicious Italian kale soup that's so full of flavor, heartiness, and comfort that you're going to want to make it today. To get started, you want to prepare your kale, a half a bunch of kale, by removing the leaves from the stems and giving it a good rinse, getting it all nice and ready for you to chop into bite-sized pieces. You also want to prepare sausage. It's a half a pound of hot sausage, hot Italian sausage, and a half a pound of sweet Italian sausage that I have removed from the casings. You can buy your sausage in a loose form, perhaps in your store, but today I got my sausage in casings. It's very easy to remove the casings from the sausage. You'll also want to peel and dice into chunks your potatoes, 2 potatoes for this soup. Add a little bit of olive oil to your pan and then break up your sausage into the pan and cook it till it's brown over medium to medium-high heat. You want to have a nice brown on your sausage. While your sausage sizzles away, you'll start to smell the delicious seasonings in that sausage. As the sausage cooks, you'll want to break up the pieces so you have small bits that are in your spoon as opposed to big old chunks of sausage. You want the flavor to really distribute well through the soup. Once the sausage is nice and brown, remove it from the pan to drain, leaving about a tablespoon of oil in the pan. Next, add a half of a large onion and some pepper, bell pepper. I'm using pepper that I had in my freezer from my garden this summer. And if you have it, add a stalk or 2 of some celery. I don't have any celery today, so I'm skipping it. That's what makes this soup so wonderful. It's very versatile. Cook your vegetables in the pan for about 5 minutes till they soften. Once your onions and peppers have softened, either grate or crush some garlic. I'm using 2 cloves of garlic today because that's what I feel like. I would start with 1. If you're not a big fan of garlic, just use 1. But we love garlic in my family, so we're adding 2 cloves. And I do think you want to either grate or crush the garlic so that you don't have pieces of garlic in your mouth in the soup. You want the garlic to cook down a bit. And now it's time to add your sausage back into the pot. It's all drained. And let it cook for a minute. It already smells delicious. Next, we're adding a can, 14.5 ounces of fire roasted diced tomatoes. You can use any kind of diced tomatoes you like. And 6 cups of chicken stock. Now, do have a favorite brand, one that you know adds flavor to your soup. For this, I'll be using a box and a half to get my 6 cups. You want to bring your soup to a boil, then reduce it to simmer and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. After your sausage and the rest of the ingredients have simmered for 10 minutes, add your potatoes to the pot along with the kale that you've cut into bite-sized pieces. Your pot is going to be full, but you know that the kale will cook down. You are going to, once again, bring your pot to a boil and then simmer for another 10 minutes. And then your soup will be ready. You'll want to taste, as we always do, for the addition of a little salt and a little pepper. And I think right at this time too, we'll add a bit of Italian seasoning. Oh, depends on your palate, but I think I'm going to go with maybe 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. Rub it between my hands and stir it in. Oh, it's already looking really delicious. Let's taste for the seasoning. It's good, but I'm going to add just a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. About, I think a half a teaspoon of salt. You really do want to adjust this to the taste of your palate, as the ingredients that you've purchased and used in this recipe may vary in the amount of salt that's included in them. Stir it in and serve your soup, maybe with a sprinkle of some Parmesan cheese grated over the top of it, some nice crusty bread. Oh, you are going to love it. Your family is going to love it. Enjoy.